With Stella version 4.0, Stella Enterprise for the desktop has ability to import from and export to databases directly. I'm going to first demonstrate importing from a database. I'm going to start with an empty model. Here we have a variable set at 0. This is a table of the database that's set up. It's a Postgres database running on a local network. And if we look at the table var_val, it has some concepts in it for net reproduction rate, which is a variable in this model. First thing we need to do is make a connection to that database. So I'm going to click on the plus here and ask for a Postgres database. And the name of this database is Stella. The server is 192.168.16.222 and port is 5432. I need a nickname, which is a name that will show up in runs that I make. So I'm going to call this Bob Desktop. And the username for this database and the password for this database. These fields on the right are filled in automatically with default values, which are consistent with the schema that we have for the database here, so I don't need to change those. I can click on Test Connection to make sure I am connected. That's all good. Now we have a database connection. When I go to Model, Import Data, one of the options for the location or source is a database connection. There's only one, so it just fills it in. And this is going to be from the table var_val, which is what we've got here, var and vals for the field names. And I'll put in a where clause here, where scenario equals 2, which is the scenario that has 0.2 for the net reproduction rate. Can test that connection. It says it's good. And you can see now that the net production rate is 0.2. So I'm going to stop this recording. This is the import recording. And then I'm going to switch over to make a new recording to show you how export is done. But it's going to use the same database connection as this one used.